Yeah, well, yeah, you can choose. I can still mix them up.
That's the one I want.
No, it's not. Oh, no, is it?
Yeah, it is. The Fates, they
It drops it down and that's it? Oh, wait, but are you filming?
I am filming.
Oh, excellent, good. So this is Max. We just did the lecture at NYU.
All right, so we've got something from Paper Collectibles.
Oh, don't read it.
Oh, you don't want to hear that?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Cut.
Cut.
Don't cut.
We can take that out
All
and
right,
post.
yeah. Okay, we got something from Beep. All right, can I just go for it?
Yeah,
All right.
go for it. I have no clue what that is.
Oh, is this
That is the nicest of the reward of merits. This is the most
look at
unique
this
one in the whole
boy.
collection.
So this is what I would give as a teacher to people.
Right.
Just like you got an A. Here's a cute photo.
No, it was a reward of merit, so it's kind of almost like a gold star. But this is way better than a gold
I don't
star.
give
Way,
those.
way better than a gold star.
So imagine, ironically, a teacher opens what a teacher needs, which is one of these cards. So this is a reward of merit card. This is the most weirdest one of all the ones I've ever
Awesome.
seen.
It's like Dali made it.
Yeah, you're right. That's so cool.
Amazing. Can I do one more?
Yes.
Okay.
That's funny because I actually wanted you to do one more. Yeah, you did open the one. This one fell at his feet.
Okay, I
It
want this
fell
one.
at his
I want this one. This one looks difficult to open. I might use scissors.
And I had scissors sitting here somewhere. What I do? Probably in my bag, all the way over here. How are you doing there?
I need
do have
this.
scissors. Scalpel. I even have Civil War like bleeders and stuff like that you could use.
Okay, one more time.
Wow, they got serious about the packing tape.
Make sure I'm not cutting through something.
When I send them a letter, I always say to them, package it well because my mail can be yucky, and they go nuts. Maybe I should stop saying that.
Okay, I think I can manage by hand at this point. Wow, they weren't kidding.
Yeah, that's why I kept the scissors on me. I'm like, yeah,
Yeah, you might-
think
yeah,
can
okay.
manage, but no.
Oh, so this is just cardboard here.
Right, so you can cut right through the... It must be something really amazing for him to pack it this well.
Oh my, what is this beautiful woman here? Oops. Okay. Yep. This is like surgeon action.
Oh, this is very important. And this is my first of the... It's even more beautiful than
Wait,
the
one more
pictures I got on
scissors,
the
one more
internet.
scissors. Do one there.
Wow.
Oh my.
Dufay color.
This photo, it looks like she's almost crying.
So this is a color process that is basically the first color process that Kodak used. And I happen to have the lenses that they were using for this process. It was, I call it, it's a Kodacolor lens.
Oh, look at that. It's the same as those TVs, right? So it's
Yeah.
just got the like.
It's got the RGB
Amazing.
going on. And I believe that's what they were using for these things. It's,
Wow.
Oh, wait, we should show it on camera. So there's two of these pictures that's using this very, very early form of color photography, color process. And it's so beautiful looking. It's just got this really cool look to it.
Stunning.
Oh, and there, so it says it on the back, Kodacolor print. And these are my first prints in Kodacolor. Wow. So.